Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.2 RC is not showing in your iPhone. So if you're trying to download this iOS 16.2 RC and if it's not showing on the iPhone, if you're trying to download from Apple Beta website, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So as you can see, it's right here. So I'm going to show you how you can get this update. Let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, go to your iPhone settings. Then if you have downloaded any beta profile, go to VPN and device management and remove that profile. So once you're done removing the profile, now open the Safari browser and go to betaprofiles.com website, sorry.dev. So once you're here, scroll down and you will get this iOS 16.2 RC. Click on install profile, click on install, click on allow, close it, go to settings, VPN and device management, install the beta profile, enter the passcode, click on install. So once you're done, click on not now. Now if you go to software update section, you will get the update. As you can see, now you can simply click on download and install the update. So if you're trying to download it from Apple beta website, don't download from there. Sometimes it doesn't show up here, so try from beta profiles. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.